So about a year back, I wanted to use cumulative volume delta on higher time frames in order to spot divergences there and look at different trends in the volume delta on higher time frames. And I just couldn't find any indicator that did that properly. So there was some old indicators, but the calculations were incorrect on them. So I used the TradingView's built-in calculations and APIs for building this indicator. So let's bring that up. It's called cumulative volume delta line, and it's by Collicoid. That's me. Let's apply that to the market, and now we get cumulative volume delta as a chart instead, as a line graph instead. So here, for example, we can much more easily see and spot divergences. So here's one. Here's a divergence. You can see like that. And yeah, you can use that. You can see this top here, for example. This top, maybe to here. It's not a good example. So this is interesting. Here we have a divergence. You can see that the bulls are fading down during this move. You can see that the this up move has less aggressive buying, even though it goes up. So that's kind of interesting. We're losing aggressive buyers, starting to fade there. And then we have about this amount of aggressiveness at this top. And here we have this top, which is lower than this top and has about the same amount of effort put in by the buyers, which is not a great sign. We also have this spike here where the bulls tried really hard. The aggressive bulls were really active, and they actually managed to get price up. So the price action looks nice, but look at how much aggressiveness they have to expend. So that is a classical effort versus result situation here. So that's not looking too good for the bulls to continue this trend. And if you were to look at this, you have, from a technical perspective, you have some kind of range here with a fake breakout that should signal that this should continue like forever, because all the effort that's been built up here, the cost that has been built up here, it should lead to much higher prices. But we can actually spot these things now with the trend of this indicator. So that's how you can use the line of the cumulative volume delta line on the higher time frames. Now this indicator has some additional features. Let me just delete these. So for example, if we switch to a lower time frame, it switches to cumulative volume delta line that resets every day. So you can use that for intraday trading as well. And it colors itself when it's below 0 and green, as red, and above 0 it becomes green. And it has the same switch here, same anchor period, and the same custom time frame as the built-in cumulative volume delta script from TradingView. It also auto-selects the time frame automatically, just like the built-in CVD does. And it has this auto switch feature, which if you turn that off, you will get another line, which is the same type of line that you have. This will be an SMA of just like you have on the daily. So now you can see the SMA of this instead on the intraday. So if you don't want them both, the CVD and the day, this line, you can turn this off and you'll get a little bit better resolution on the line. So this is how I actually have it set up. I will post my specific indicator settings. So this is a simple moving average of the cumulative volume delta. And I have received requests to be able to change this to different things. I have tried EMAs, I have tried all manner of different types and lengths, but I find that I keep coming back to this SMA 14. It seems to be kind of a sweet spot for me. So that's what I will be using throughout the entire SPT education here. So this is the cumulative volume delta line indicator.